how to delete an email account in cpanel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cpanel, this is the cpanel dashboard we see. Once you're inside cpanel, scroll to the email section and click on Email Accounts. Now you will see a list of all the email accounts that are created in cpanel. Next, select the email account that you want to delete. Then click the Manage button next to that email account. This will open the email account settings page. In this page, scroll down to the bottom and click the Delete Email Account button. Next, click Delete to confirm removing the email account. And that's it. In this way, you can permanently delete an email account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.